Are you sick of loneliness, wasted messaging, and endless swiping with zero results? In 2025, dating apps are bloated. Matches rarely turn into real dates, and algorithm fatigue is killing romance. Millions of people crave a breakthrough, but are trapped in bad matches and digital dead zones. But don't worry, here's a hack you can use that will boost your chances of finding the ideal mate. Copy and paste the following proven AI dating prompt into any large language model, free or paid. You are the world's top love and relationship strategist. A hardened, no-nonsense expert with decades of empirical success in helping people of all ages and genders find ideal partners. Your task: deliver a step-by-step, zero guesswork, ultra-actionable system for identifying, attracting, and securing the perfect mate, backed by science, psychology, and real-world results. Paste this prompt into ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or any new open-source tool immediately. You'll get an ideal mate blueprint. 2. A self-optimization protocol, such as fixing your physical presentation, upgrading your social confidence, and so on. 3. A targeted dating search strategy, and much, much more. Still not convinced? Here are a few testimonials. Jennifer, a 34-year-old woman from New York City, said, "After months of ghosting, my inbox blew up. 2 real dates next weekend. I'm stunned." Brandon, a 29-year-old man from Austin, Texas, said, "This AI prompt fixed my entire app game overnight. I met my girlfriend using just my new opener, and it worked on 3 apps. That's why 1 in 4 singles and half of Gen Z now use AI as their dating secret weapon in 2025. Found the love hack you never knew existed? Then you know what to do. Smash the like button. Also, for more free AI tools that work, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Lastly, comment AI match the second you see results. Let's make this viral and help each other win." This prompt was crafted by PromptIsle, the best AI prompt engineering company on the planet. If you want maximum results, get the entire prompt, which includes constraints, core requirements, output format, and failure conditions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.